everyone, welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Midjourney on Android for beginners. Before starting, there are some few things you will need to know about Midjourney. Midjourney is currently not available as a downloadable application for Android or any other mobile operating system. It is a beta program accessible through Discord, which is a communication platform primarily used by gamers. So in order to start using Midjourney on your Android device, even if there is no Android application available, you can simply go ahead and visit a web browser and visit the Midjourney website. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. The first step is to open up a web browser on your Android device. Now, type in the URL midjourney.com and search. You will now end up in the official site for Midjourney. Simply tap on the Join the Beta option from the main home screen. This will now take you to a Discord server invitation. Tap on Accept Invite and then you will be redirected to this Google Play page where you can see the Discord Talk, Chat and Hangout application on the screen. Tap on the Install button to begin downloading Discord app on your Android first. Wait until the Discord application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on Continue. You will then be taken to the main interface for Discord. If you don't have a Discord account yet, you will need to register for a new one. Tap on Register button and select whether you'd like to sign up with phone number or email. Choose any one option and enter the respective credential. If you choose phone number, you'll need to enter your phone number. If you've chosen email, type in an email address you have an access to. Once you are done, tap Next and then enter a display name for yourself on the next page. After you are done, tap Next. Now, create a username for yourself and then create a password to access your account. After you are done, tap Next. Select your date of birth and tap on Create an account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new Discord account. Now, you will need to tap on Accept Invite again and you will then be able to open up Midjourney. Go through the instructions on the screen and tap on Get Started, and now you will be able to get started with Midjourney. Now you can go ahead and find a newbie channel from the list on the main homepage, and these channels will be designed for beginners to start using Midjourney bot. Here you can use the Imagine command followed by your descriptive prompts for the image you'd like to generate. For example, you can type /imagine and write down your prompt. Midjourney requires a paid subscription to use their service. While they offered free trials in the past, they are currently not available. So keep an eye on their website for updates on free trials. To subscribe for premium, tap on the subscribe button whenever this pop-up appears on the screen and follow through the instructions in order to make your subscription for Midjourney. If you ever want to log out of your Midjourney server, simply go ahead and make sure that you've selected Midjourney from the Discord server and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Leave Server in order to leave the server or log out of Midjourney. So that is how you will be able to use Midjourney as a beginner on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.